in Madison County on a frequency of 162.525 MHz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties: in East Central Kentucky, Anderson, Bourbon, Boyle, Clark, Fayette, Garrard, Harrison, Jessamine, Madison, Mercer, Montgomery, Nicholas, Scott, and Woodford. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm and Emergency Alert System. We now return you to regular programming.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kay County in northern Oklahoma, northeastern Grant County in northern Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:09 p.m. Central Daylight